After winning our 16th trade on the way up, Litecoin has began dropping with the rest of the crypto market. This is a little bit discouraging because earlier this morning, Bitcoin was skyrocketing like crazy, but has taken a turn for the worst, dragging the rest of the crypto market down with it. In this video, I'm going to show you where I think Litecoin is heading next. Before we get started, I did want to show you that trade win on Litecoin. We are now 16 wins, 0 losses with 4 trades pending. So especially with this drop, this could be a great time to get into some brand new trades. On top of this, we also down here have our Inner Circle Hangout coming up tomorrow. This happens on April 27th. This is this Thursday at 3 p.m. Pacific time. We hope to see you then. Grab a membership to join us. And with that, let's jump into the market. I'm going to take you to the TradeConfident.io website. And we're going to scroll all the way down to Litecoin. First up, we're going to be taking a look at the Litecoin Emotional Index. And as of yesterday, we did drop into anxious, but have just barely here pushed into neutral territory. This comes with the move up in price, and tomorrow you will see a little bit of a drop here, and this could honestly bring us back into anxious territory. But overall, if we're in anxious or fearful, even if we just barely pushed into neutral here, this is generally bullish sentiment. Moving on now to the Litecoin volatility breakout detector, we are seeing absolutely insane volatility, not just in Litecoin, but in every coin in the crypto market right now. I expect this volatility to keep up for some time, so you're going to want to then check out the Litecoin whale smart money metric, where we are still seeing long trade sentiment from whales. This did diminish to some amount on the last candle, and it is possible we'll see some short trade sentiment, but based on the recent drop, I am expecting a little bit more long trade sentiment from whales in the coming days. Heading on over now to the Litecoin major support and resistance chart, we need to be looking at 84.97 and 88.25, and that's dollars to be exact, as our structure supports. And from there, I'm going to be looking at $96.11 for our structure resistance. Next up is the Litecoin long versus short trades here. We are seeing a steady increase in short trades with long trades here not really moving much at all. Maybe a very short decrease over the past couple of days. This actually does not fare well for Litecoin. Most often when short trades increase while long trades decrease, this will indicate a move down. So this is a more bearish signal compared to the rest of them. Last but not least is the Litecoin daily trade scanner, and we have not seen any signals recently, but we were, at least this morning, quickly approaching the last sell signal that we got. That same structure resistance that we saw up here at $96.11. So you're going to want to keep an eye out on that. We're going to be looking for either a sell signal coming up, or if the price continues dropping, a buy signal. And from there, we can use those to judge where the market is going next. Now, in this crazy volatile time, you're going to want to grab the membership, especially if you're a Litecoin trader. These metrics are going to be essential. And if you want to join us for our Inner Circle Zoom meeting, again, this is happening tomorrow, April 27th, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific time. You're going to want to grab a membership. In order to do that, all you have to do is check the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the first link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. And if you want to grab the metrics for Litecoin, you will need the full access for $59 a month. This includes metrics across all 20 coins. It'll include that Zoom coaching every month coming up tomorrow. It'll include the scalping trade calls that actually just won a Litecoin trade. If you want to join us, just click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at Litecoin on the 1-day time frame using the trend dashboard, TC top and bottom finder price versus one money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators. You can see we got to move up over the past couple of days and are net negative as of today, despite having a pretty solid move up. Right now, we're seeing whale money flow out of the market for Litecoin. Trend exhaustion is very nearly in its bottom red section. Once we see that trend exhaustion low and the price versus whale money flow low here, if we get a buy signal as the price drops, these three will combine to be one of the most bullish signals we can find in crypto, especially as the RSI, MACD, and the 50 and 100 moving averages begin looking upwards. Once we get that combination, that's when I'm expecting a really big move up in Litecoin. First testing again at structure resistance right about here at $96.40. Today, the price did test that it was 84. Let me drag this a little bit down. $84.50 structure support that we were looking at on the support and resistance metric. For now, these are my two targets for Litecoin. If we do drop any further, it is possible based on what I'm seeing. I would expect a structure support at 75.84. And if we do manage to break above that $96 structure resistance, I think we're going to be testing $103.76 yet again. However, in the coming days, these two, the inner structure support and resistances, are the ones to pay attention to. Once we test that, you're going to want to check out the indicators. If the indicators are still fairly high, like if we're seeing the price versus money flow high and the trend exhaustion is not too low yet, and we're still testing the $84 structure support, this could be an indication of a move all the way down to $75. However, if we're moving up and test this structure resistance and the price versus money flow is still low and the trend exhaustion is still low, this is an indication that we're going to break straight past this up onto $103. So you're going to want to grab these indicators moving forward as a Litecoin trader, and I can get them to you for up to $400 off right now. Let me show you how to do that. All you got to do is check the links in the description down below. Just scroll down, click show more, and grab the indicators at the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page where we have over 4,000 downloads and counting. You're going to want to grab the indicator bundle pack, as this will include the trend exhaustion, price versus money flow, and trend dashboard. It'll also include a $400 off coupon code for the TC top and bottom finder. In order to get access to that, just click the bundle pack checkout link, click I want this on the right hand corner, and it'll bring you to the checkout page. Go ahead and fill out your information, especially your zip code. That's what you got to do in order to click pay. And once you click pay, you'll be offered the TC top and bottom finder for only $349 as opposed to the normal $749. This is a $400 discount offer. Just click add to cart, click pay, and from there, we're very excited to trade with you with these indicators. One last time, we're looking for a move up here to 96.40 or a drop down to 84.50. And from there, you're going to be wanting to check the indicators and their positioning. If they reach structure support and they're looking bearish, we're likely to break down further. If we move up and they're looking bullish, we're likely to break through to 103. You're going to want to grab these indicators. And with that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.